Where did my clothes come from? How were my shoes made? Who made them and how were they treated? Consumers are increasingly interested in how the products they buy have an impact on people and the planet, and companies are being held accountable for social and environmental issues in the apparel, footwear, and textiles industry. Feel-good marketing and advertising around sustainability are no longer enough. Consumers want proof, and the industry needs a credible, standardized way to measure social and environmental sustainability so that brands, retailers, and manufacturers are all speaking a common language with trusted data. This is what the Higg Index does. It gives companies a standardized way to measure sustainability, like tracking their carbon footprint and making sure their factory partners are treating workers fairly. Developed by the Sustainable Apparel Coalition in partnership with its more than 250 member companies, the Higg Index is a suite of tools for the standardized measurement of value chain sustainability. The Higg Index measures the environmental and social impacts of how, where, and under what conditions products are made, and the companies making them. Brands across the globe access the tools through the Higg software platform. The Higg Index is currently made up of 5 tools, including the Higg Brand and Retail Module, or BRM, which assesses social and environmental performance at the corporate level. The Higg Materials Sustainability Index, or MSI, which measures and scores the environmental impacts of materials, helping product designers understand the environmental impact of their material selection decisions and create products that are better for the environment. The Higg Product Module, or PM, which measures the overall environmental impacts of a product from the time it's designed through to the end of its life. The Higg Facility Environmental Module, or FEM, which measures the environmental performance of an individual facility, helping manufacturers find opportunities for improvement. And finally, the Higg Facility Social and Labor Module, or FSLM, which allows facilities to assess conditions for its workers, helping ensure they're creating safe and fair working conditions. You can't manage what you don't measure, and with the Higg Index, brands, retailers, and manufacturers now have tools that can help them make good on their promises to protect people and the planet.